Hey guys, it's Lola here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program your HomeLink to your garage door opener. You can also program your HomeLink to operate the motorized gates or home lifts, but in this video we're programming the garage door opener. So you want to press the first and third button at the same time to clear all the codes if they have previously been used. So in 3, 2, 1. So you hold them until you see the red light flash rapidly, and then you let go. You see it rapidly flashing, then you let go. Yeah, if your car comes with universal HomeLink, you don't need the remote to program it, but this HomeLink is not universal, so this one you have to have a remote to do this. I repeat, you need to have a remote to control to do this. So I have the garage door opener remote control, and you can press any button you want to program. In this video, we're doing number 1. So you press them both at the same time until the light starts flashing fast. You see the light flashing slow, and now it started flashing fast. That means it understood the code. Also, if you have a older non-rolling code garage door opener, you're finished. But I have a rolling code garage door opener, so there's one extra step that must be taken. So we'll have to go to the garage door opener and press the learn button. And now let's go to the garage door opener. Alright, this is the garage door opener, and you see that learn button, you press it, and now the light is solid. You have 30 seconds to go back to the car. You hold that button, you press it, and the light blinked. And now you press this button, the garage door is closing. Look. And to reopen the garage, you press the just programmed HomeLink button. You press it, and the garage door is reopening. So there you have it. That's how to program your HomeLink to your garage door opener. Thanks for watching.